It's Danielle here. I am the creator of Natural Beaded Hair Extensions, and I wanted to share a touch-up curling tutorial today with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is actually day two. I washed my hair yesterday. This is kind of day 2 waves. And so I think it looks cute, but I actually want to go with a little bit more of a beachy wave. So I'm actually going to use a very, very small barrel, and I'm going to show you guys how to kind of touch up your curls quickly using a smaller barrel, and how it actually turns out this really cute beachy wave without being too tight of a curl. So the first thing I like to do is I'm gonna section off my top baby fine fragile layers. The iron that I normally use to curl my hair is this Bioionic 1-inch. And this is like a cheapie from Amazon, but Bioionic doesn't make a smaller one. And I wanted a 3/4 inch barrel that had a longer barrel. So anyways, I'll find both of these and link them for you. But again, this is just kind of a cheapy barrel. So I love using a smaller barrel when it's like, I just wanna refresh my curls, but I don't have a ton of time. And I still curl it the exact same way. So I'm gonna run it through a few times. I'm gonna concentrate the heat at the base of the weft, and then I'm gonna unwind. But see how I'm not holding that curl in for very long? That's why it's so fast. And you don't need it, if it's day 2 curls, you don't need to go through and curl every single piece, because it's just not necessary. Because I want some of those kind of like looser lived-in beach waves that are already existing mixed with some of these a little bit tighter curls. So again, this is, you guys are gonna die. This is literally like a 5-minute curl, but it's one of my favorite ways to get like refreshed beach waves. Always remember to get the windows here. I keep looking over here and the camera lens is over there. Sorry guys. So you're gonna curl the windows, and the trick is to load the iron and get a lot of that heat at the base. And then you're gonna unwind. And then I like to still gently pull my ends through. If you don't put any heat on your ends, they're gonna end up looking a little bit too straight. So definitely make sure you're running some of that heat through the ends. And again, I'm not curling every single piece. I'm kind of going in and just surface curling a few. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna switch to the other side now, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna repeat, just curling a few. Again, this is like my 5-minute touch-up. Hold on, I need to curl that one. This is like my 5-minute touch-up when I wanna refresh my curls, but I don't have 20 minutes to do a full curl. Again, using a smaller iron. Curling it the exact same way I use my 1-inch iron. This just creates a little bit different wave. So again, you can see I'm moving pretty fast, you guys, but I wanted to show you real time how easy this is. I'll share a lot of reels on my Instagram, which is Danielle K. White, but there's only so much you can show on a reel. And I think that on a reel, sometimes you're like, oh, that only took that person a minute to do, and really it's like a 20-minute job. So I wanted to show you guys this again in real time, just hanging out in my house today. It's Saturday with the kiddos. Baby's napping. I have 4 daughters. So you know, if you're a mom, that nap time, you gotta like, you're like, what am I gonna do with my life? Usually I'm like cleaning, picking up, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna create a little bit of content this afternoon. So again, kind of hitting those windows. Okay, we're at 3 minutes, you guys. I'm like, my goal is to have this whole curl done in less than 5 minutes. So again, you can see how easy this is and how cute it is when you just want to touch up those summer beach waves. Again, I am wearing Natural Beaded Rose. I'm the creator of Natural Beaded Rose Hair Extension, and I created my own hairline. It's a hand-tied hairline called Isla. It actually has more grams per weft, so I'm able to wear less wefts and get so much fullness. You guys, I always joke around, I'm like, I have the worst hair ever. Like when I take my extensions out, it's almost jarring. Like people see my hair and they're like, oh, I'm like, yeah, that's usually the reaction I get. But I love extensions. I think they're fun. I think it's fun to change your color. I love feeling like more sexy, more feminine, and it's just fun. I've been wearing the extensions for over 20 years. Now, if I don't have them in, I just don't feel like me. Okay, so dropping down those top layers. I don't even have a mirror, you guys. I'm literally just doing this inside my camera. So again, I'm gonna now blend some of my short layers real quickly. Fast. Okay, I'm at the 5-minute marker, you guys. I might go over. This might be like a 5 minute and 30-second curl, but we're almost there. I'm just blending in Again, my shorter natural top layers. Almost there, almost there. All right. Okay, it's a 6-minute curl, I lied. So notice how when I'm unwinding, I've got the curling iron right at the base of the weft, right? And then I'm gonna slowly let it out, and this is called stretching the curl. Okay, I did it. Oh wait, I missed one piece, hold on. Again, I do not have a mirror, so I'm doing this kind of blind. One of the things I like to do, I live in Southern California, so I feel like the humidity today is driving me crazy. I'll just run the iron gently over my part. Try not to burn my face, but this will just smooth everything out. And then I'm actually gonna use my new Isla metal bristle brush to do a comb out. I am obsessed with this brush, you guys. If you wear hair extensions and you love the traditional wet brush, you will love this Isla metal bristle. It just works so good on wet hair because it can get through the tangles a little bit more. So if you're an extension wearer, you definitely need to check out my new brush. So I'm gonna just gently brush everything out. And then I don't put a ton of product in my hair, you guys. I have naturally really fine hair, so I don't wanna weigh it down too much. But I own a salon in Laguna Beach, California called DKW Styling, and we carry Orbay. And so I love me a little bit of their oil, their Gold Lust oil. Be careful when you're doing oil. I really like to work it into my hands before I apply it to my hair. And then you always wanna start at the ends with an oil and then working your way up so that you're not just like concentrating all this oil on the top of your hair. And then I'm just gently kind of like patting the top of my hair just to give me like a little bit of shine. And then I love to kind of like, I call it like beef up my curls, but I literally like to kind of fan out my curls and give them a little bit of texture. And you can see how cute that is. I love just kind of a messy beach wave. This is Orbay's Superfine Hairspray, my favorite hairspray. It's very movable and lightweight. All right. Okay, so how fast was that? I know this was probably like 7 minutes, but I promise you ladies, you have 7 minutes. I always say that hair extensions are kind of high maintenance to be low maintenance, meaning the days that you wash them, it's gonna take a little bit more time, but on an everyday touch up, it's so easy and it's just, you feel cute and ready to go when you have fabulous hair. So anyways, follow along so you can see more hair tips. You can follow me on Danielle K. White for more Instagram tips and lifestyle, and hope you guys got a lot of value out of this video. Okay, we'll see you next time.